Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Let's dive into the essential steps to understand your PS5 warranty and how to maintain your console. First, check your warranty status. Visit the official PlayStation website and enter your console's serial number. This will confirm if your PS5 is still under warranty. Now, if you encounter any issues, it's crucial to know what tools you'll need for basic maintenance. A Phillips screwdriver, a soft microfiber cloth, and a can of compressed air are fundamental for internal cleanings. Start by unscrewing the base of your PS5 with the Phillips screwdriver. Make sure to keep track of the screws, as they can be quite small. Once you've removed the base, gently slide the outer casing off. Be cautious during this step to avoid damaging any clips. With the casing removed, you can see the internal components. Here, use the microfiber cloth to wipe away any dust. Remember, keeping your console clean can help prevent overheating. If you notice significant dust buildup, use the compressed air to carefully blow out any debris from the fan and vents. This will ensure optimal performance. If you're uncomfortable performing any of these steps, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, let's talk about common issues like disk reading errors or random shutdowns. For disk reading problems, inspect the disk for scratches. If it's damaged, you might need to replace it. For shutdowns, it may be related to overheating. Ensure that vents are clear and that the console is in a well-ventilated area. If these steps don't resolve your issues, consider reaching out for help. We can arrange pickup and delivery at your home, making it hassle-free. Plus, there's no need for calls or travel. Simply contact us through our website. Before any repairs, we provide a quote so you know exactly what to expect. This transparency helps you make informed decisions. Once your console is clean and maintained, reassemble it carefully, ensuring all screws are tightened securely. Regular maintenance can prolong the life of your PS5 and keep it running smoothly. In summary, understanding your warranty, knowing the right tools, and performing regular cleanings are vital for optimal performance. If you need any assistance, remember we're here to help. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.